Hello guys, and welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to share with you an easy DIY craft called flower pounding to hopefully commemorate the last remaining days of summer 2023. That can be a very cheap activity if you know how to do it right. In order to do this little craft, all you're going to need to do is find a basic t-shirt or any kind of fabric that you would like to pound color into. So I chose some white fabrics that I picked up from a thrift store. I highly recommend doing this. That way you can save a ton of money, and this can be very inexpensive if you make it that way. And all the materials that you're really going to need are flowers that are available. Parchment paper or paper towels can also work as like a covering over the flowers, as well as either a hammer or a rock, or honestly anything that is going to be able to make some indentations. Recommendation is, if you do want to do like a little like a template of some design, to use the thinnest cardboard material that you have. And I think the best kind to probably use would be from the back of a cereal box, only because it's very thin. It's easy to draw on. It's easy to like cut out, or use like a little X-Acto knife to get a nice precise curve. If you're like me, I ended up finding a box from the lab that was going to go in the recycling, and it was very thick, and it took kind of a while to cut through everything and get to what I was looking for. So this turned out to be the longest part of this project, was definitely tracing this out and cutting out all of the dancers. I hope that this project inspires you to go out, maybe upcycle a piece of clothing or something that you have in your house, to make something pretty. And I hope that you enjoy the remaining days of summer. So if you're interested in just being artsy, being a little creative, but that's relatively cheap, I'll have more coming very soon. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next one.